How to post anonymously on Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to make an anonymous post on a Facebook group, let me show you the process of doing it. Open up the group that you want to post anonymously on. Now there's one thing that you need to know. Every group does not have an option of anonymous post. If the creator or the admin has allowed that option, you will see an option of anonymous post. So tap on write something, and if the admin has allowed that option, you'll see post anonymously right here. You just need to toggle this option on, tap on I want to post anonymously, and anything that you type or any post that you make will be made anonymous. Now if you don't see this option, you won't be able to post anonymously in that group. I'll quickly open up a next group and show you. If I tap on this option right here, as you can see, there is no option of post anonymously. So every group will differ. Check if the group that you're trying to post has that option or not. And yeah, that's how you can post anonymously on Facebook group. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.